Hello friends, so we visited the most popular park in Tbilisi, that is Matsminda Park. It is established over the mountain called Matsminda, which is the tallest mountain in Tbilisi, and it's also called the Holy Mountain. To get to that amusement park, we took the famous funicular of Tbilisi, जो कि हमें एक वहाँ से स्टेशन तक जाना था एंड जस्ट बाय अ कार्ड दैट वाज फॉर 2 lari and 10 lari per person for each direction journey. For those who are not familiar with the idea of a funicular, so basically it's just a train जो एक steep उस पे चलती है ट्रैक पर, and it's really good because आप एक तो steepness होती है तो एक thrill रहता है, and you can also enjoy some views and just observe आगे खड़े होके कि how are we just following the track and going to reach the destination. So it's quite cool to use the funicular and get to a certain point, and in this case we were going to the amusement park. एक तरफ की जर्नी आई बिलीव वुड बी अराउंड 10 minutes और सो. उसमें सीट्स भी होती हैं ट्रेन में, बट वी चूज टू स्टैंड इन द फ्रंट टू एंजॉय द व्यू. बट इवन इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू सिट एंड it's really comfortable seating there. So here we are about to reach the destination, that is the amusement park, and let's see how it goes. पार्क में पहुंचते ही वी न्यू दैट इट वाज ह्यूमंगस पार्क. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा ह्यूज था, इतना वास्ट था. देयर इज़ द टीवी ब्रॉडकास्टिंग टावर ऑफ Tbilisi, and there was this hotel, there were several restaurants. These are the amazing views जो कि since it's at the top of a mountain, so पूरा Tbilisi दिखता है एंड बहुत ही अमेजिंग व्यूज़ होते हैं, और वहाँ पे ठंड भी होती है. सो डू टेक अ जैकेट और scarf or whatever that suits you, but do go covered to this place to really enjoy it. And take loads and loads of pictures because really camera is not doing justice to this. The views were amazing and इतनी खामोशी थी इस पार्क में that हमने तो 30-40 minutes we were just here enjoying the views, just enjoying ourselves, not doing anything. So it was just too good. So after some time, we decided to just walk around the park, like what it has and how it is. So there was plenty of space to sit. यहाँ पे families I'm sure बहुत picnic वगैरह के लिए भी जाते होंगे because it's a perfect spot. And वहाँ पे there was an area for zoo. There were restaurants, coffee shops, roller coasters, there was a Ferris wheel, and there was a kids play area, there was a theater, and also a wedding hall and a ghost house. So it had pretty much everything, and ये कोई ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आप पूरा दिन भी spend कर सकते हो with your family, and it's a beautiful place not only for the tourists but even for the locals, to spend their day at this place. एंड अगर आप दिसंबर में और क्रिसमस के अराउंड जाओगे तो you'll also see a Christmas tree by the amazing restaurants and views. The best part about this park was that it was really well spaced out. और आप मतलब अगर कोई एक्टिविटी नहीं भी इंजॉय करना चाह रहे हो वहाँ पे, यू कैन जस्ट ग्रैब अ कॉफ़ी और टेक योर बुक एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट रीडिंग, लिसन टू म्यूजिक, और यू जस्ट वॉक अराउंड सो और जस्ट टेक सम पिक्चर्स बट बहुत क्वाइट प्लेस है. यू कैन enjoy different activities, but at the same time you can just be by yourselves as well. And I should also mention कि जो funicular की ticket होती है, that does cover the entrance ticket to the park as well. So entry to this park is free of cost, but जो different activities वहाँ पे होती हैं, you have to pay for those. So while strolling around this park, we got tired after like 2.5 hours. So we decided to go back. और वहाँ पे हमें पता चला कि funicular is not the only way to go back. You can use a cable car, and so we obviously decided to get a different experience. So and that was around the same cost जो funicular की थी. So we just decided to go ahead with it and enjoy the cable car ride. ओके सो कमिंग बैक, द व्यूज़ वर रियली गुड. ठीक है, वापसी की भी जर्नी वॉज 10-15 मिनट्स की, बट बहुत ही अच्छी थी. द व्यूज़ वर amazing and बहुत मज़ा आया. We took pictures also in the cable car and we were just enjoying that journey. And honestly I will not say कि funicular use करना चाहिए या cable car, but like we did, maybe you could do the same, कि एक दफ़ा funicular ले लें for one direction and the other direction can be covered by cable cars, because दोनों का अपना thrill था, मज़ा था, and would definitely recommend you guys to enjoy both the experiences. Do let me know if you have been to Georgia recently and have visited this park and what was your experience like.